So that was a good example to learn,
Okay,
really.
Yeah.
Now this is the private road.
Yeah.
We don't have the center white line marking.
Yeah.
What we do have a black line dividing the two lanes. So we're going to be turning right. Now obviously I'm still assessing you. What I need to know, so when you're turning right like you did at a T junction,
Yeah.
what does cutting the corner means? Have you ever heard that phrase?
I think I have heard that phrase.
So if I say to you, turn next right, Victoria, but
Yeah.
do not cut the corner, what does that mean?
Meaning I'm not turning into the left lane before I turn into the right.
Do you mean not turning into the right lane, you're going
Right
to the left
yeah,
lane?
meaning I'm not turning into the right lane before I then position myself into the right,
So,
the left lane.
To make it easy, so that means you need to turn in such a way that we don't want to go of oncoming traffic lane
Yeah.
there, so we don't want to cut into their lane. So that's why you're looking, when you're turning right, looking ahead,
Yeah.
and you're looking the road you're turning into,
Mhm.
because potentially the road you're turning into might be a problem, because there might be parked car there.
Mhm.
If there's a parked car on the left,
Yeah.
then you have got no choice but to cut the corner.
Mhm.
But if you would have not looked inside the road you're turning into, how are you going to plan that? Also, this road we're turning, so we've got so many parked cars on their side of the road here.
Yeah.
That means if anyone coming, they're going to have to be using our lane.
Mhm.
So if you start turning and they have already committed, where you're going to go? So that is a reason why it's very important to look the road you are turning into as well.
Okay.
Any confusion, any problems?
No.
Shall we try that?
Yes, please.
So move off when you're ready, please, and turn next right, please, for me. Next right. Okay, we're turning next right, please. That's your left.
I need to position myself just about here.
So if nobody's coming, do we have to stop or not stop?
No.
We
I was
don't.
trying to speak to myself to
Yeah,
see
yeah,
how I wanted
yeah,
to position
yeah,
myself.
absolutely. So like now,
Hold back.
so if I mean, luckily it was a small car.
Yeah.
If that would have been a bigger lorry or wagon, would they be able to go around it?
No.
So always think about it. Of
Yeah.
course, if it's a small car and you know you have a space, you
Yeah.
both can go slowly though.
Mhm.
So that was a good example to learn,
Okay,
really.
Yeah.